Alright y'all, so for this look I'm going to be using only the Morphe palette. I'm going to be going in with the shade of Blaze all over my lid, starting in my crease. Okay, next up we're going to take a clear gloss and we're going to put it on our lid. And this is just going to add on to the look that I'm going for. It's very easy, very simple, but it's really cute. Okay, so boom. Next up, go ahead and get you some bomb glitter. We're going to highlight and we're going to just, add on to the look. This makes or breaks the look, so just make sure that you're careful with how much glitter you're using, whether you want to go OD or whether you want to use a little bit, it's up to you. I'm highlighting my brow bone, my inner corner, and I'm focusing a lot of the glitter on the crease. As you can see, I'm carefully lining where my crease is, and then I'm kind of blending it out, but I want it to pop out. I want it to, be noticeable. Okay y'all, so the next step is to add a wing. You can add a big wing or a small wing. I decided to go with a small wing, but this is a very important part of the look as well. And then after I made my wing, I'm just gonna go over top of that with some glitter, and it actually came out really bomb. And then of course I had my wispy lashes, but I applied them off camera.